All right, we're back at Rosenau Hall at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, and these elevators are still original, but actually not for long because this is going to be the actual final ride of these elevators as they are finally starting the modernization, which Resolute is actually doing the mod. In case you guys are wondering, I happened to realize something. This elevator car right here actually is a Southern with GAL fixtures that I recently saw from NC Elevator Lovers video, also known as Ryan. While this elevator car right here is an original Otis with PTL slap-on mod fixtures. So with that being said, we're going to take one last actual final ride of these piece of beauties. So let's take a ride. Here we go. Now this elevator is an Otis. It's an old Otis from 1961. PTL. Four. Love the sound. All right, let's get a detailed cavity of this thing, and I really want to start up the generator again for the one last time. I realized that the other elevator car is a Southern, while this one is actually an Otis. PTL is the only replacement that it has. Here's your phone. I'm not sure what it had originally. It's got to be black button based on the sound of the mechanics that it makes and the relays and the motor, so definitely had black button fixtures, just like the freight elevator over there. Or I mean the small service elevator. Okay, okay, I hear it. I hear the generator winding down. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to open up the door and have you listen to that generator power up. And I hear people talking. Those are the technicians working on the elevator, I think in the machine room, it looks like. Oh. Maybe I have to select a floor. Okay. Because usually the generator kicks in when the door opens. Awesome, y'all. Man, do I love that generator starting up. All right, we're going to go ahead and end that on 1. Look at that. Resolute elevator, you see, entirely barricaded off. All right, we're going to go ahead and end the video on 1. Sadly, this elevator is going to be in the chopping block. This elevator is going to be in the chopping block soon. You going up, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I was just doing a video of the elevator for my enjoyment. Anyways, there it goes. And That's it.